Are you tired of selecting hairs to remove them and then find out that you are losing credits on AI regenerative in Adobe and you spend a lot of time? I have good news for you. Retouch4me has a really cool plugin called Stray Hairs, which can do it for you. And I have a second good news, you have a discount code on the description. So let's take a look on the image that we're gonna work today, is this one. If I zoom in, you can actually see the bunch of hair on her face that I really hate, but I really like the hair floating in the air, so I want to leave those on. Let's open this in Retouch4me Stray Hair. Let it do its thing. Depending on the power of your computer, it will go fast or slow, but in my case it's a very slow laptop, so yeah. Now this app really works standing alone, but you can also work with it as a filter on Lightroom or Photoshop, okay? And other software, of course. And here we are with the results. Now I'm gonna zoom in and her face looks really good, but I'm not appreciating what it did over the landscape with the hair. So let's press space to see the before and after. Well, the face part, perfect. This part here, well, not good at all. The before and after actually is removing as well the logo of the clothes, but I like this area here. But if you saw my other tutorials about Retouch4me plugins, you know that this software is about control. It uses machine learning, but you are the one in control. So let's use the brush here, okay? And I can increase the size of the brush by pressing Alt and click left and right, as so, and I can paint these areas back in. It will erase these areas here. Now, as I told you, I want the opposite. So what I'm gonna do is use the other brush, the eraser, put it as big as I can. Let's paint. There we go. Let's regenerate and see what we're gonna get. The before and after, the before and after. Yes, yes. How long would it take me to do this in Lightroom or in Photoshop? Yeah, sometimes it's not perfect, okay? So let's use then the brush and just paint it this area that we want to remove as well. Let's let it do its thing. And yeah, sometimes the result is not that perfect, especially on big areas, but still, it only will improve from now on. And that's it. Check the discount code down below.